Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching the earwax removal video today. So this gentleman's come through for microsuction because he has 2 perforated eardrums, and using irrigation wouldn't be advisable for this patient because the water and any drops, anything like that you'd put into this ear would get through the perforation into the middle ear space and runs the risk of causing a middle ear infection then. What we've got is very dry wax on the outer part of the ear canal, so we're using the standard size Zollner tube first just to probe the edge of this wax, try and lift it into a better position, which can then sometimes allow us to get it out with suction, or we could switch to a Jobson horn then to remove this. It's just pulling the wax in from all directions. You use the Jobson horn now because it is quite dry. There we are, and just start to see this wax coming out. So the wax luckily was in the outer third of the ear canal. There we are, you can see it's quite dry, quite old and hardened up. Now what we can see here is we have a long plate of wax resting in the bottom of the ear canal. Now I would imagine there may well have been some discharge from that perforation at some point, which has softened the wax at the base, forming this smooth plate-like layer. So what we need to do with this is peel this away. So we're lifting this off the canal wall first of all. Now, obviously, because it's a long flat plate, it's going to be difficult to remove with suction. So what I'm doing is positioning it so that we can lift the front end to allow us to get the crocodile forceps underneath, which is what we can see just going into view there. So we're going to get underneath this layer we've lifted at the front, get a grip, and then try and gently take this out. You can see it's just sheared. As we go in, you'll see how thick that plate is there when you look at it in between the jaws of the crocodile forceps. So another bit's just broken away. So it's quite dry, this plate of wax. It's been in here a little while. You can see it's just, we're trying to get a grip but just breaking little pieces away. See if we can get a better grip, much deeper grip with a forceps there. There, now we're getting the movement. There we are. You can see just how long that plate was. A little bit of dry skin there as well. When we take a look, so here's the perforation there. That's called a subtotal perforation because it's all gone. That's the actual bottom of the hammer bone you can see there. So we'll switch now to the other ear. So we know the gentleman's got a perforation on this side as well. So we can see very dry, hardened up wax in this ear also. So we're just going to use the Zollner tube, the standard size Zollner tube again, just to lift the bottom of this wax, just to see how hard it is and whether we can detach it enough from the canal wall to get it in one piece using suction. You can see just how tough this wax is, quite old and hardened up, very, very dark in colour, so very oxidized. Just try it. There, we're starting to get some movement there. Can you see it coming forwards now as we get a grip on it? It's got kind of stuck there, so I'm going to switch now to the Jobson horn. It's getting in over the top because we've obviously got this to the outer part of the ear canal now, so at the entrance to the ear canal itself. So just working just behind it. There we go. Rolling this out of the canal. There we go, you can see a bit of dead skin underneath. Okay, so this is the other ear. So another subtotal perforation again, you can see within that circle. And there's the bottom of the hammer bone again. So yeah, quite a big perforation. So this is what we removed. So the 2 pieces to the left are the pieces of wax, and the plate then is to the right hand side that we took out, and there it is in inches. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already and you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.